Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to completely transform your Discord with Vencord and the Chillax theme. This will make your Discord look cleaner, smoother, and just straight up cooler. And the best part? It's super easy to do. Let's jump right in. To get started, we need Vencord, a powerful Discord mod that lets you customize everything. Open your browser and go to vencord.dev. Link in the description. Click on Download Vencord and follow the on-screen steps. Once it's installed, restart Discord to make sure everything loads up properly. Vencord is now installed, and we're ready to add some awesome themes. Now, let's get the Chillax theme to give Discord a sleek and modern vibe. Head over to the first pinned comment and click the download link for the Chillax theme. You'll get a CSS file, which we'll use in the next step. Now that we have the theme file, let's apply it to Discord. Open Discord and go to Settings. Click on the gear icon at the bottom left. Scroll down until you find Vencord Settings and click on it. Navigate to the Themes section. Click the Open Themes folder button. A folder will open. Drag and drop the Chillax CSS file into this folder. Now, go back to Discord, refresh it, and activate the theme by toggling it on. And that's it! Your Discord should now have a sleek, clean, and modern look with the Chillax theme. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new and improved Discord.